YouTube was good. It's your boy StockX, and I'm back with another banger. And oh man, I need a haircut. Why didn't tell me y'all look like this, man? Anyway, I'd like to welcome y'all back to the channel where I do sneaker reviews, how-tos, and sneaker news. So if you're into that thing, go ahead and lock in. Alright y'all, today I'm going to be showing y'all the most expensive sneaker that I have in my collection. Definitely not the most hype, definitely not the most sought after, but it's probably one of my favorites that's in my collection. Today we're going to be reviewing the 20th anniversary of Bathing Ape Bapester in the green colorway. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this box. So as y'all know, Bapesters don't come in their own box, they come in the foot soldier box. So open up the box. As y'all can see, I got them from StockX. Alright man, so we're gonna start with the right shoe. Right shoe is the one that I tried on already, but I'll do all of my detailing on this one. So here you have the 20th anniversary of Bathing Ape Bapester in the green colorway. Starting off with the patent leather on the toe, we got yellow, and we also got green that overlays that. We got patent leather green all over the side paneling. On the heel tab, we got blue patent leather, and then you got matching yellow stars to match the yellow patent leather on the toe box. Right here you got a metal Bathing Ape badge, similar to the ones that come on the Air Force Ones. So most of y'all know this shoe is modeled after the Air Force One, but there are a little bit of subtle changes in it to make sure that they didn't get sued by Nike for using the Air Force One silhouette. Biggest similarity that you can see is the way that they molded the outsole. It looks just like the Air Force One, and they got the same lines on it. It says Bathing Ape where it says Air on Nike Air Force Ones. Even down here, you can see that looks just like Air Force One. It just has an R right there. And then the stars are the same. That would just be a circle on the Air Force Ones. With me being an aircraft mechanic, I love nose art and I love the shark teeth, especially on the A10. So that's definitely one of my favorite touches to the shoe right there. Next touch that I like is the famous World Gone Mad that they got there. And they also got a shark eye to match those shark teeth on the side paneling. Instead of a Nike Air or Air Force One tag, you get the Bapester tag on the tongue. And then it's pretty cool. They put all white patent leather on the tongue. On the left shoe, you got a Bathing Ape hang tag. And this is all in Japanese, and I never learned how to read Japanese when I was in Japan, so yeah, we kind of out of luck on that one. But you do get the hang tag on there, and that's pretty cool. You also get an additional pair of gold laces that you can swap in there. And of course, on the left shoe, you got the StockX verified hang tag right there. I bet everybody wondering how much I paid for these, and yes, it was a pretty penny. I paid $398 for these. I know. But it was my birthday, man. I wanted to splurge on myself. I ain't got a pair of kicks all year, basically. So I was like, hey, let me go ahead and get these. Good thing about Bapesters is they usually hold their value, and these are still dead stock. So even if I decide that I don't want to wear them, then I just sell them, honestly. But it's not a shoe that I want to sell. It's something that I want to wear one day. I just got to find the right time and the right setting. And this jacket is probably going to be what I wear with it, honestly. All right, man, enough of me talking. Let me go ahead and get these on feet for y'all. All right, y'all know the drill. Y'all go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, drop me some comments down in the bottom, and let me know if y'all like this shoe, man. Thanks for watching. This has been StockX, and I'm out.